Today is part one of getting my new Subaru adventure ready. There she is. So I figured over the next couple months I'd do little parts of just different things I'm doing to the car. Fitz is here to help. Are you here to help? Yeah. Good boy. Oh, you got a lot to say. What do you have to say? This is the 2021 Subaru Forester Premium. The color is Jasper green. I've got my partner in crime here to help. But yeah, today we are basically going to be focusing on the back because I got new blacked out emblems. So basically today I'm just going to be swapping those out and putting on the matte black emblems that I got. A blacked out version. So I ordered these for 30 bucks online, and basically today I'm just going to be taking them off the car. I watched a couple of YouTube videos on how to do that, so I'm going to be doing that today and then putting on the new ones, and then that's it for today. But there'll be some more stuff I want to do to the car over a few months. So what? I know, it's so fun. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking these off and run a little time lapse of that. Basically, all I need for this is some dental floss, a hair dryer, a rag, the new emblems, and not pictured some tape. Here we go. Just want to throw it out there that this isn't a how-to video because I'm no expert and a total kook. Are we kooks? We're kooks, yes, we are. But yeah, so you can just watch the time lapse of me replacing these emblems. Starting now. Yo! The Forester emblem is on. Now it's time for the Subaru and symmetrical all-wheel drive one. Ready? And boom, there's the other one. So we've got both emblems now on, all blacked out. So that didn't take much time at all, but that's my first little project for the Forester. And there will be plenty more. Thanks for watching part one of getting the Subaru adventure ready. Stay tuned for some future parts on some other upgrades I make. But that was the first simple one, but more to come. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Yo!